guys want to crack your back, just kind of do this. Be in a basket. Hit yourself back. Oh, that felt so good. It kind of hurts a little bit, but it feels so good. I want to try it again. But with extra force. More force. Whee! Ah, that hurt a little bit. Not like a lot, but it hurts. And if no one wants to help you crack your back, just get in the basket. Control yourself in the basket. Then you just do this. Hit yourself a few times. Then once you're ready, oh. Felt so good.